In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use TradingView. We're going to keep things simple, clean, and focused so you can move from a cluttered screen to clear decisions. Start by choosing the asset you want to analyze. You can search for popular pairs like gold against the dollar or major cryptocurrencies. Pick one market for the session so your attention isn't split, and make sure the chart type is set to candlesticks. Candles give you the most useful visual story of how price is moving. Next, set your timeframes with a purpose. Use the 1 hour or 4 hour chart to understand the broader trend. This is your roadmap. Then, when it's time to fine-tune where you might enter, drop down to the 5-minute or 15-minute chart. This top-down approach helps you stay aligned with the bigger picture while finding precise spots to act. Learn to read market direction directly from price. If price is printing higher highs and higher lows, that's an uptrend. If you're seeing lower highs and lower lows, that's a downtrend. If price is moving sideways between two areas without breaking out, you're in a range. Aim to trade with the trend, not against it. Following momentum typically gives you cleaner, less stressful trades. Keep your chart light by adding only 2 or 3 indicators. Open the Indicators menu. The button looks like FX, and start with a simple, effective trio. Add an exponential moving average for trend direction. Many traders use common lengths like 50 or 200 to see whether price is generally above or below the average. Add the relative strength index to gauge momentum. The default setting works well. Look for momentum supporting the trend rather than fading it. Finally, add volume for confirmation. Expanding volume as price moves in the trend's direction can validate strength, while weak volume on a breakout can be a warning sign. Indicators aren't there to predict. They help remove guesswork and give you objective context. Now draw your key levels, which is absolutely essential. Use the horizontal line tool to mark support, areas where price has bounced up multiple times, and resistance, areas where price has been rejected repeatedly. Start with the higher time frame so these levels carry weight, then refine them on your entry time frame. Extend the lines to the right so you can see upcoming reactions clearly. When price approaches a well-defined level in the direction of the overall trend, and your indicators agree, you have a structured setup. Put it all together: a clear asset, clean candlestick chart, aligned timeframes, trend-first thinking, just a few supportive indicators, and strong support and resistance. Practice this routine, and your TradingView workflow will become faster, more confident, and more consistent.